Guys, I want us to watch this video you are seeing right here together. Let's watch this video together.
Adaize, what happened inside? The pregnancy has been confirmed.
And Emeka, he denied everything and they are planning a DNA test.
A DNA test? They carry out that DNA test, everything will be exposed. You have to stay calm. Don't panic or you'll make everyone suspicious.
I'm trying, but I'm scared.
Whatever happens, don't mention my name to anyone.
I won't, but I'm afraid they'll keep asking questions.
Answer only what they ask. Don't give them any reason to doubt you.
I just hope this doesn't get out of control. Emeka, who is that man talking to Adaize?
I've never seen him before.
He left in a hurry.
Something isn't adding up.
Adaize, who was the man you were talking to outside? Oh, he's just an old family friend.
If he's just a friend, why did he leave the moment we came outside?
He was in a hurry, that's all. I hope you're telling us the truth.
The pregnancy has been confirmed. That's all the proof I need.
No, Mama. A pregnancy doesn't prove who the father is.
We're still going ahead with the DNA test when the time comes.
Fine. Then we'll all wait.
I understand.
Emeka, why are you refusing to accept this child?
Because I won't claim a child that isn't mine.
Then explain why Adaize is pregnant.
Mama, accusing my husband won't change the truth. And Mama, let's stop accusing each other first. Let's wait for the baby to be born and do the DNA test. That way no one has to argue.
I've agreed from the beginning. I have nothing to hide.
I understand.
Why is everyone so quiet?
We saw Adaize meeting a man outside the hospital. He was only a family friend.
Then why did he leave as soon as we arrived?
Adaize, is there something you're hiding? Adaize, tell me the truth.
Mama, he's only someone I've known for years.
If that's true, why were you hiding the meeting?
The truth always comes out, Adaize. I've told you everything I know. Please believe me, I haven't lied to anyone. Then you have nothing to fear.
We're only asking for the truth.
Adaize, don't cry. Just tell us what's going on.
The truth will come out. Why aren't you answering?
Who's calling you?
It's no one important.
Then why do you look so frightened?
Adaize, what happened?
They're waiting for a DNA test.
Don't panic, stay calm.
I'm scared they'll find out.
They won't, trust me.
Who were you talking to? Just a family friend. You seem nervous. I'm fine. I hope you're telling me the truth.
Is everything all right here?
I just asked Adaize a simple question. I've already answered her.
Then let's not create more problems.
I'm only looking for the truth.
Now, you see this video you just watched right now. I'm going to show you how you are going to create storytelling videos like this, cinematic story videos that is going to look very nice. As you can see how nice this video is, how cinematic this video is, the appearance, the characters, their speech, everything about this video. You have seen everything. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something like this. And the best AI tool I use to achieve this type of result. And after you create your video, how you are also going to edit them, how you are going to fit your videos together, everything I'm going to show you right now in this video. And without wasting much of your time, let's go dive into it. So the first thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now, this is ChatGPT. And on ChatGPT, all you need to do is to get your master prompt, your video idea, just get it on ChatGPT. Now, this is the master prompt I'm using to create all my video story. I don't need to go and be telling ChatGPT, I want you to write me the image prompt, write me the video prompt, write me the dialogue. No, I don't do that. I use this master prompt. All I just do, I just paste this master prompt to ChatGPT. Now, this is the master prompt. This is the master prompt. You can see it here. This is the master prompt. As you can see, everything is being explained on the master prompt. Now, as you can see where it says my story idea, the only thing I need is to put my story idea. Now, these are all the story idea. This is how I want my story. The woman pointing. So this is the story. This is the story. So after you put your story and you click on generate, this story is very long because it's an episode that I'm creating. Now, as you can see, this is where the story ends. Because normally how I used to do my story is that I will explain it. I write my story in full detail. Then I will now paste it on the prompt. All you just need to do is just copy the prompt, you put it on ChatGPT, and after you put the prompt, you put your story, write your story, you put your story, and after you put your story, you click on generate. And when you click on generate, this is what ChatGPT will give you. As you can see, character Bible. Now, this is the characters that's supposed to be on the story. All the characters is going to explain all the characters in detail, how they will look, everything, their outfits, so that the face will not change. Now, this is the second character. This is the third character. As you can see, the character here. Grace, and this is the third character here, another character, this is another character. Now, as you can see, episode planning. Now, it's going to also plan the episode for you. You don't need to write how the episode is going to be. Immediately you give it your story, it's going to plan the story episode for you. Now, this is the episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5, all the episode. Now, as you can see, now after planning the episode, it's going to start writing it in detail. Now, it's going to write episode 1 to the end with the dialogue. As you can see, with the dialogue, with the camera, image to video prompt, and it's going to go to episode 2, as you can see. So this is how it's going to write everything for you. As you can see, you don't need to be doing it one by one. As you can see, episode by episode, episode by episode, episode by episode, as you can see. So episode by episode, all you just be doing is just to be copying your prompt and you'll be generating your video. So if you need this master prompt that I'm using, all you just need to do, just let me know. So if you need this master prompt that I'm using, just go to the comment section of this video and you are going to see the master prompt there, and you are going to see a link that where you are going to get. I'm going to drop a link, then you click on the link and you go and get the master prompt. It's just 3,000 naira to get the master prompt, and with the master prompt you can just be generating your videos. As you can see, when you finish episode, you just click on continue and it will generate the next episode. As you can see, scene 5. You just click on continue and it will be generating it. You just be copying it. Now, after you get your own master prompt, the next thing you are going to do is to copy your image prompt here. Like this, for example, let's copy this image prompt like this. After you copy your image prompt, this is the detail of the image prompt so that the outfit, the clothes, everything will not change. Now, after you copy the image prompt, for example, like this, the next thing you are going to do is to go to AI tool you are going to use to generate your image. So we copy it. Now we go to Flow AI. I'll use Flow AI, this AI tool here, to generate my images. So I use this AI tool to generate my images. So allow it to open. Now it's open. Now, as you can see, these are all the images I'm generating here for my stories. These are all the images. Now, as you can see, these are all my images here. As you can see how good, how amazing these images are. These are the images I'm generating for my story. So you paste your prompt here, you generate your image. But first, make sure you generate your first in characters here. This one that you first see here, the first one here you are going to see here, this first characters here, this character Bible, make sure you generate it one by one, so that as you can see, it's the log reference image. You generate these images one by one. After you generate these images one by one, so when you want to generate every scene, every episode, when you want to generate it, you are going to see in the scene, it says scene here. As you can see, character present. So you are going to know the character that's supposed to be on this scene. You are going to know all this master prompt I'm giving you is going to analyze, is going to do everything for you. You don't need to suffer yourself. You are going to just be reading it. As you can see, character present. So this is the character that's supposed to present. So if you are generating your image prompt for the scene, you are going to understand the character that is supposed to be present and how you are going to generate your image. And after you generate your images, let me show you how you are going to generate your video so that your video is going to look very nice. Now is to come to this AI tool. This is the AI tool I'm using. So if you need this AI tool that I'm using to generate my videos that let my video to look very nice, if you want this AI tool, let me know. I'm going to share it with you. So this is the AI tool here. Let me take you to the home page. As you can see, when you register on the AI tool, you are going to see AI video generation here, and you click on this AI video generation. Now, when you click on this AI video generation, it's going to open like this. Now, you are going to see where they say model here, this up here. You click on it, and when you click on it, you are going to see different type of AI tools, AI model here. As you can see, Cadence 2.0, Grok AI. So for those of you searching for Grok AI, you can use Grok AI here. As you can see, Grok. You click on Grok, and when you click on Grok, you can create up to 15-second video with it. As you can see, up to 15-second video at once. You don't need to be generating in 60 seconds. You can create up to 15 seconds with Grok. But I don't use Grok. I use Omni AI. As you can see, Gemini Omni. Yeah, this is the one I use. This Gemini Omni is the one I use. Now it generates up just 10-second video. So all you need to do is to upload your image. You click here, you upload the image of the scene you want to generate. Like for example, I want to generate this scene. I'll just upload the image, and you can upload up to 7 images. You can upload up to 7 images. As you can see, where they say drag, you can upload up to 7 images, and you paste your prompt here. And after you paste your prompt, you bring it down, you select your aspect ratio, and you select your duration 10 seconds. Then I usually put it on 1080p to get the best quality, because if you do not get the best quality, your video is going to look boring. Now after you get that, the next thing, you click on generate, and when you click on generate, your video is going to start generating. Now this is how I create that video you just watched, that video you are seeing playing. Now this is all the clip, as you can see, where I was generating the video clip by clip. Now let me show you. Wait, it's still loading. As you can see, these are all the clip. It's still loading. As you can see, these are all the clip where I was generating it clip by clip. Sorry, my network is very slow, that is why it has not opened, but it will open. You are going to see everything where I was generating the video clip by clip. So when you generate the first one, as you can see, you generate the first one, you go back again, you upload the image, second image for the second scene, because each scene here have its own image. As you can see, each scene have its own image. As you can see, each scene has its own image prompt, and also video, image to video prompt with the dialogue, with the camera movement, and also the emotion, and also, as you can see, the transition. You don't need to go and be suffering yourself for transition. The master prompt that I will give you, that you will just put your image, your video idea, your story idea, is going to analyze everything, let the AI know what you want. So that is why you need the master prompt. So now, this is it here. This is how my story is still opening. It is still opening, but you are going to see it. As you can see, this is all the story, how I was able to generate that story. You guys just watch. As you can see, I was doing it clip by clip till after I do it clip by clip. The next thing I do was to go to CapCut, why I add everything together. Let me show you how I did it on CapCut also. Now this is it on CapCut. As you can see, this is the story. I add every clip together. I add everything together, and after adding everything together on CapCut, I just need to export my video, and my video look amazing the way you guys were watching it moment ago. So this is how the video look like. I cannot be able to play the video right now again, but this is how the video, your result is going to look like. So this video, this scene is just 2 minutes 31 seconds. As you can see how long it is, how consistency, the characters, everything, as you can see, the outfit, everything was not changing. So this is the method I use to create my storytelling videos. Now guys, you have seen everything, how you are going to do everything from beginning to the end. So if you need the master prompt, all you just need to do, just go to the comment section of this video or the description of this video. I'm going to leave down the link where you're going to get this master prompt. It's just 3,000 naira, the master prompt, and you can use the master prompt anytime you want to generate your story videos. You don't need to suffer yourself again. All you need is just the master prompt, and with the master prompt, your video is going to be ready and it's going to look very nice. So don't forget, the link to this platform and the link to the master prompt is going to be in the description of this video or the comment section of this video. So go and get it right now and start creating storytelling videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next to drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you on our next video.